Hi everyone. Today is our placement day. So yesterday we had the orientation and the general introduction with our placements and the representatives from the placements. So now we are going towards the downtown. So previously, what I have showed you, that was basically the university area, but now you can see the downtown on the horizon, the tall buildings, the city cars, and the public transport that Oklahoma downtown has. So today I'm going to Freestyle, a digital marketing agency, as you can say, in Oklahoma City. So before going that, I'm dropping off my fellows into a conference, so they're leaving for the day, and we will pick them up after their conference ends, right? So after dropping them off, I was on my way to Freestyle. So again, tall buildings, different architecture that we have seen before, right? It was only the university area, but now we are in the heart of the downtown. So I have reached Freestyle. You can see it's just in the heart of downtown Oklahoma City, and it's a first day for me, and I'm really excited for the experience that are awaiting for me. I got Princess, the Vice President of Operation at Freestyle Creative, and everyone was really friendly, and I loved my experience over here. And I'll let you have a tour of the freestyle office now.
Yeah. And then we've got Allison Abbott, our COO. You'll be meeting them later today. And then in here, this actually used to be just a storage closet, but we've turned it into a little tiny meeting room.
Oh,
So team
looks
members can
good.
meet in here. Yeah.
Dream inspired create. I like that.
And then we've got our wall of awards right here. We've got some more awards on the other side as well.
Yeah, Jeff mentioned that you have won a lot of awards, right?
Yeah. And of course our two restrooms. And I'll take you downstairs and then we'll go back around.
Yeah, sure.
So this is what we call the underground. This is the basement level of this building. Something we're hoping to do in the next 5 years or so is completely remodel it to make it look like the first floor. But for now, we've got all of our video storage. We've got our props, video gear everywhere over here.
All right. So this is one of your storage units for the video gears, right?
Yeah, and then we've got extra storage back there.
You have good space back here.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than it looks from the outside. And then this is what we call our rec room. So we've got a lot of little meeting areas that team members can kind of meet at. And then, yeah, the stuff on the wall that you see, those are films that we've worked on over the years. A lot of local films.
Great. And yeah, Jeff mentioned that you have more focus on videos, right? And rather than the whole marketing, you have a full access marketing team, but your main focus is in videos, right?
So we actually started out video production and film, but we have since grown to full service advertising. So actually video is one of the hubs of everything we do.
Totally understandable, because where I work, time to time we pivot, right? Sometimes we work more on video, sometimes more on social media and all the other stuffs.
Yeah, you're right. It just depends on what the client wants.
Exactly,
right?
exactly. We do what the client wants, right?
Yes, we know how that feels.
I know.
But yeah, so this is our rec room. You're welcome to hang out here throughout the week. And then I actually don't have the key, but I'll take you out that way and you can kind of see the underground. Have you been able to experience downtown yet?
No, this is my first time, and I have been here.
Well, yeah, Rafi, I will give you a tour over that way in a little bit.
Right.
I don't have the keys. I forgot to bring them. They're actually upstairs, but I'll give you a tour over that way later. And then I'll show you over here. This is what we call our vault, and no worries, you can actually open that from the inside. The history of this building is it used to be a bank. And so this was their bank vault years ago. This is also, I think, going to be a great tornado shelter in the event we ever need that. So,
True.
Yeah, Yeah, but we've turned it into a meeting room as well. And then we've got our hallway down there. Oh, actually, here, let me turn on one. It's really just our utility stuff over there. And then that exit door can take you over to the tunnels as well. And the tunnels is what I do want to show you. If it's not me that will show you, I'm sure one of our team members will, because we're excited about being able to connect to all of the underground tunnels downtown.
There are tunnels?
There are, yeah. They have been around for decades, and they connect a lot of the buildings downtown, as well as I think some areas have little shops and little cafes and things like
Whoa.
that. Yeah. So it'll be really cool to kind of check that out.
That's something new for me because tunnels, I don't think so.
Yeah. All right. And then we'll go over here and I'll introduce you to our team. So this is Kelly's office. I'm not sure if you have met her yet.
Not physically, but we met over a call yesterday.
Perfect. Sounds good. Well, yeah, you will be seeing her here in a little bit. And then our DP, Director of Photography, Josh, sits right here. And then our video team is over here as well. You'll meet Nam soon. I'm out of breath. Our video fellow, Allison Miller.
Right.
She'll be coming back after vacation as a part-time fellow with us. So, yeah. And then our creative team is right here.
Hello,
Hi,
Rafi.
Rebecca.
Rafi. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hi,
Glad you're
it's a
here.
pleasure.
And
It will
then-
take some time for me to remember everyone's name.
Yeah, of course.
It's easy for you because it's only Rafi for you, but for me, it's a lot of names.
We'll have a quiz at the end of the day, okay?
Sure.
We have a new freestyler.
Hi, Rafi.
Rafi, I'm Allison.
Hi, Alison.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We loved watching your YouTube video yesterday. Are you filming? Hello.
Yeah. So back home, when I was researching about this program, I didn't find a lot of things online regarding what the actual experience is.
So you're sharing.
So I'm creating that, right? Every day, what I'm doing. You can call it a vlog, but it's more like my experience sharing of the whole journey, right?
Oh,
I
good.
love it.
That's awesome.
So,
Wow, we've got a lot to share. Well,
Yeah.
you're here. So hopefully you'll have a lot to show.
thank you.
Good. Are you doing a tour?
Yeah.
Very good. Well, I'll let you guys tour then, and I'll see you later.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Okay, and then we've got our marketing.
See you guys later on.
Here. So you'll meet some of them here in a little bit once they kind of start rolling in.
Mhm.
We've got our project manager Jan over here, so you'll meet her as well. And then we've got our large conference room here.
Right.
We actually just got that TV installed from our old building, and it's got a rolling cart so we can take it.
Whoa.
around the office
So
wherever
you
we need.
moved here in March, right?
February.
February.
Mhm.
This year.
Yes.
Oh.
So 2 months ago, 3 months ago.
Yeah, relatively new, but you have decorated it well.
Yes, that is all Allison. Props to all of that. She had everything planned out, and then we had an open house a couple weeks ago, so that was kind of our deadline to be
Right.
fully moved in. But yeah, and
Looks
then
really good.
I'm sure Sunny kind of showed you this wall as well. This is our little selfie wall, so we'll have to have you take a picture. I need to find the
Polaroid camera?
Yeah, it's somewhere in the building. And then actually, Rafi, let me grab the key. Have 2 business tenants upstairs. I won't take you up there since they typically are pretty quiet, so that way we don't bother them. But it's the Center for Economic Development Law and Shelby Healthcare, so they're upstairs. And then I'm actually going to take you in this way so you can kind of see another way through the underground. And it says no public access because it's only for team members.
All right.
Go on this way, we can shut that door.
This is another stair, right?
It's another staircase, and you'll actually kind of see where we are once you get downstairs. I realize I don't actually need the keys because we already went through the front. Yeah, when we first moved in here, it was quite a maze to kind of learn everything. Turn on the lights. So then, behind this door is the rec room that you saw earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then this over here is the tunnel system.
Whoa.
So this is still freestyle, this hallway here. But when you come out this way, there. You come on out here. So this connects a lot of the downtown area.
Whoa.
And we call it the underground tunnel.
So it's like a walking street underground.
Yeah, exactly.
And you have shops and other things in it.
Yeah, there are a few shops you'll kind of see. Let's walk over this way. I'm going to give you a map so that you can kind of explore
Whoa.
thoroughly.
For the first time, I'm experiencing something like this.
Oh, yeah? So you can kind of see all the different businesses and everything. And then here is a map
Yeah.
of the actual
Thank you.
underground. So each of the little lights have different colors, so it
Mhm.
helps you know where you're at. But you could really just walk from one side all the way to the other side and back. And
Does Google Map work underground?
Not really. So since it's a tunnel system,
Right.
the Wi-Fi is also not very good.
Yeah.
So yeah. I like to remember that we are the red line. So
Yeah.
if you're ever in one of the other ones, just find the red line and you'll find our office.
Right. Or I ask for help to someone.
All right. Yeah, at some point this week, we'll kind of take a walk around the underground. We might go and find some restaurants and cafes here. So.
This is very exciting for me to experience this. And the lighting and everything looks like a movie.
Yeah, it's very colorful. I love
Yeah.
it. That's kind of our goal with this underground area as well. That is your code, so looks like it works perfectly.
So if anyone is coming from the underground, they can also get in the building, right?
Yes, if they are one of our tenants or one of our Freestyle team members.
Yeah.
And you will also have a code so you can get in and out whenever
Great.
during our office hours.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
yeah. All right. So, well, you know what? Let's come on back from this way.
So we're going into the rec room.
Yes, into the rec room, and there
We have
we
been
are.
here, right? Yeah.
Since I brought the keys, I'm gonna use Then we don't have to
Getting the best out of the keys, right?
Yes,
As you are
and then
carrying
the key
them.
hook is humongous.
Oh my God.
Yes. When the previous owners gave them to me, I was like,
Oh my
I don't
God.
want to carry them around all the time. So they live in the office. Okay, Rafi. Well, I can take a look and see what's on my calendar and kind of chit chat a little bit until Kelly gets here.
Yeah, sure.
I think you're spending your day with Kelly today.
Hello,
Nice to
Rafi.
meet you.
For the first time
Yes,
physically, right?
welcome. I know. So I see you've gotten the tour. Nice. Okay.
I got the tour, right? And I was intrigued with the tunnel system because we don't have it in our home.
Gosh, yeah, we'll have to take you on a tour one day. It connects to like most of Oklahoma City, which is really cool to be able to walk underground.
Whoa.
So we'll have to do a walking tour one day. So
It
I
would be
know.
great.
Yes. Okay. Well, where have you guys left off?
So we actually just came from the tunnels.
Okay.
And then I guess, Kelly, I can just have you take it from here.
Nice. That sounds good. Have you gotten passcode to the door?
Ooh, actually, Rafi, do you have it yet?
No.
I can write it down and I can
So after the tour, I got into the weekly project status meeting and I met all the other members. And after the meeting, we went to another meeting, which were from Allied Arts. They presented a pitch for a donation. So after that, there were some team building activities which I really enjoyed and I loved it. So this is a brief part of what we had in freestyle. There was a lot of things, but I can't show you in one video, so I have to make two videos, I think. So as you can see, the presentation is going on, and after that the team building exercise actually happened where we had to different people participated in creating this kind of creature like art forms. So I think this is the first day of many in Freestyle Creative, and I'll see you on to the next videos regarding sharing my experience of being in the heart of downtown Oklahoma and Freestyle Creative. I hope to see you on to the next videos, and till then, bye bye.